Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern New Year poster design in Photoshop. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image, and click on Place. Link to this image mentioned in the description of this video. Open the Layer panel, and bring down its opacity to 25%. Then go to the Adjustment layer and Color Balance. Follow my color balance settings. Go to the Type tool, and type the text. And change its font to Go Bold Regular. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Hold the Alt button and create a copy of it. Double-click on it to edit it. Change its color to neon green. Add a layer mask to it. Select the Gradient tool and apply it like this. Hold the Alt button to create a copy of it. And change it to 5. Change the gradient position on it. Hold the Alt button to create a copy of it. Edit the text. And change the font. Bring it on top in the Layer panel. Right-click on it and open the blending options. And apply the drop shadow to it. Follow my settings. Follow my other text settings. I have these social media icons, place them here. Go to the rectangle tool, create a square, and change its color to white. And place it here. Create a copy of it and place it here. Finally, select the image layer. Add a blank layer, set the foreground color to black, select the brush tool. Set flow to 30%. And apply it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.